Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to master bold and eye-catching typography posters using Canva's awesome tools? Click the Create button. Next, choose Custom Size from the menu. Enter 200 by 200 pixels as your dimensions to set up your new project. Go to the Elements tab and select an attractive background for your design. Type Virtual Background in the search bar, then click the Search button to continue. You will now see the track displayed on your screen. Review the track details to ensure everything is correct. If you need to make adjustments, use the editing tools provided. Once you are satisfied, proceed by saving your changes to complete this step. Ensure the background you select is not labeled as premium. Only choose free backgrounds to avoid any additional charges. Check for the premium tag or watermark before proceeding with your selection for your project. Test your changes by clicking the preview button to see if they work as expected. If everything looks good, you can enhance your project by adding effects. Look for the effects panel in your software interface, then choose an effect you'd like to apply. Drag the effect onto your desired clip or layer. Adjust the effect settings in the Properties window until you achieve the desired result. Preview your project again to ensure the new effects look correct and everything functions smoothly. Repeat these steps to experiment with different effects and fine-tune your results. Change the text as needed by clicking on it and typing your new content. You can also customize your text further by adding effects and outlines. First, select the text you want to enhance. Look for the Effects option in the right-hand menu or toolbar. Click on it to reveal various text effects such as shadow, glow, or background color. Choose the effect you want and adjust its settings like color, blur, or transparency. To make your text stand out even more, add an outline. Select Outline under Effects, pick a color, and adjust the thickness slider until it looks right. Preview your changes, then click Apply or Done to save your customized eye-catching text. To add an image with a background, first navigate to the area where you want the image to appear. Locate the Insert or Upload button, typically found in your toolbar or in the menu options. Click it, then select the image file from your computer or cloud storage. Once selected, the image will upload to your workspace. You'll see the image appear with its original background intact. If you need to adjust the image, use the Resize Handles or Settings panel to make it fit your layout. To replace the image or add another, repeat the upload process. You can also adjust layering, moving the image forward or backward relative to other elements by right-clicking and choosing Arrange. Continue editing until you're satisfied with the placement and background. To add this background, click the Background tab on the left menu. Select your preferred image or color. Click Apply to set it as your background. Adjust the opacity or position as needed for your project. Select this option, then choose the image shown here. Click to apply your selection. Make sure you're using this specific image for the best results. Follow these steps to continue with the correct settings and visuals in place. Click the Share button, then select Download to save your design. For the best quality, make sure to maximize the size option before downloading. This ensures your design is saved at the highest resolution. Click the Download button to save your completed file. Try out these typography poster tips in Canva, and let your creativity flow! Like and subscribe for more design tricks.